Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cherry sorbet at home. First, ensure you have 2 pounds of cherries, either fresh or frozen, and make sure they are pitted. Next, measure out 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice on hand. It really brightens the flavor. This simple preparation sets you up for a fantastic frozen treat. Now, let's prepare our base. Combine your 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water in a small saucepan over medium heat. Stir until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a clear, simple syrup. Remove it from the heat and let it cool down entirely. This is crucial for the sorbet's texture. Once cooled, blend your pitted cherries with this syrup until you achieve a perfectly smooth puree. With your cherry puree ready, it's time for the next step. Gently stir in the 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This enhances the cherry flavor beautifully. Now, pour the entire mixture into the frozen bowl of your ice cream maker. Churn the sorbet according to your machine's specific instructions, which usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Almost there. Once your sorbet has reached a soft serve consistency, transfer it to an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours to firm up properly. When it's ready, scoop out generous portions of your delicious homemade cherry sorbet and enjoy this wonderfully refreshing treat. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.